Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt. I hold in my hand here the forecast. I just put it together and about to plug in the numbers on the 7 days, so we'll have that updated for you. The news coming up here at 9 o'clock. One thing we're talking about is wet weather. We'll be likely tracking some of this over the Birmingham, Tuscaloosa areas by 9 o'clock. You can see around Fayette, Columbus, over in Winston County, quite a bit of wet weather. And hey, this is just the leading edge. Look at all of this rain back in here to the west. And we're just going to see wave after wave of rainfall, especially by mid to late week, impacting the region. And early estimates still showing maybe 4 to 5 inches of rain by the end of the week. You know, our monthly average for March is only like 5 inches and a quarter, so we're going to be close to that mark later on in the week. So a rainy pattern will be the story we're talking about tonight. The general setup here, we got a disturbance approaching from the west. We got a trough there, high pressure back over the Caribbean, big strong ridge, so that's going to slow this pattern down. Notice how we're just kind of wedged in between. We deal with this moisture streaming northward through the mid portion of the week. But one thing I want to show you here, we also enjoy some of that tropically mild air. We're talking about highs around 70 degrees through the mid portion of the week. So it's really, not going to feel too bad, thankfully. No ice or anything like that, but several opportunities for wet weather. Let's go ahead and get you set for Monday morning as you head out the door here. Tonight, again, our simulated radar showing a rainy night. Through the morning, you see temperatures cool off a bit. Now, we don't necessarily have colder air moving in. What's going on is the air is so dry, dew points are low. As the rain falls into that dry air, you get a little bit of cooling, and that's going to lower that temperature down into the 40s. But then tomorrow, next few days, temperatures recover, and we probably, our coolest temperature at night, at least through the work week, will probably be 55 degrees. I think most of us, we're going to enjoy some milder conditions later on in the week. But hey, 8:30 in the morning, still looking at some wet weather, so expect some rainy conditions for that morning drive and at the bus stop. So we're talking about wet weather for the second week in a row to start the week off. Could be a little foggy in there too next few days, some drizzly, overcast skies. So that's the general setup. So we're going to try to break down when to expect all this wet weather. Hey, just a quick mention here. If you live in Walker County, on Tuesday, 6 p.m., I'm going to be at the Saragossa Fire Department giving a presentation on severe weather safety, and it's open to the public. So hopefully you can come out, see us. We're going to be at the fire department that's in Saragossa beginning at 6 o'clock. We don't expect any severe weather on Tuesday, so everything should go as planned. So I'll see you tonight at 9 o'clock on Fox 6. And if you're on Facebook, quick reminder, you can follow me, facebook.com, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great evening.